Welcome to all. I, Professor Praveen Nikam, welcomes you in today's topic compressibility. Compressibility is nothing but 1 upon bulk modulus, that is indicated by K. Bulk modulus is of elasticity is defined as a ratio of compressive stress to volumetric strain. Let us consider one figure which having a piston in a one cylinder. Now the initial volume of piston is V, or in the cylinder this V, gas in the cylinder is V, and at the time is the pressure is P. As we increase a pressure by a volume or by a value dP, it change its volume dV. So now the volume of gas is V minus dV. So volumetric strain is change in volume to the original volume. As we know that the formula of bulk modulus, that is K, is equal to increase in a pressure to volume of strain. So now the formula becomes the change in a pressure, that is a dP. Pressure is changed by value of dP, and its change in volume is minus dV, where the minus sign indicate that is a compression of fluid to the original volume. So we can calculate a bulk modulus of elasticity of that gas, and using the bulk modulus we can calculate a compressibility of substance. Let's take one example. Determine the bulk modulus of elasticity of liquid if the pressure of liquid increases from 70 Newton per centimeter square to 130 Newton per centimeter square. The volume of liquid is decreased by 0.15%. म्हणजे एक सिलेंडरचा जो सिलेंडर इनिशियल जो प्रेशर आहे तो आहे 70 न्यूटन पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर, आणि तो प्रेशर इन्क्रीज झालाय 130 न्यूटन पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअरने, आणि ड्यू टू द चेंज इन pressure the volume is get decreases, and that amount of decrease in volume is 0.15%. So we have to be calculate this problem. So calculate the or calculate some what we have given. We have the initial pressure, final pressure. So when we deduct a initial pressure from a final pressure, we get the change in the pressure, that is 60 Newton per centimeter square. And change in volume, we know that a 15% volume is get decreased. So bulk modulus, we know that increase in pressure divided by volumetric strain. So increase in pressure is 60 Newton per centimeter square, and volumetric strain is minus 0.15 divided by 100, where the minus sign indicate that is decrease in volume. So the bulk modulus, we can calculate that 4 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per centimeter square, and 1 upon K is a compressibility of that gas or that substance. Okay, so in the way we can calculate the compressibility of liquid or gas. Take one another problem. Determine the bulk modulus of elasticity of liquid which is compressed in a cylinder from volume 0.0125 meter cube at 80 Newton per centimeter square pressure to volume 0.0125 meter cube at 150 Newton per centimeter square pressure. म्हणजे काय झालेलं आहे की सुरुवातीचा जो प्रेशर होता 80 न्यूटन पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर होता आणि त्यावेळेस व्हॉल्यूम होतं 0.0125 मीटर क्यूब आणि तो प्रेशर आपण इन्क्रीज केला, दॅट इज 150 न्यूटन पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर, आणि ड्यू टू दॅट द change in the volume is 0.0124 meter cube. So let's calculate the problem or solution. So given we have initial pressure is 80 Newton per centimeter square. So initial volume is 0.0125 meter cube. Final pressure is 150 Newton per centimeter square, and final volume is 0.0124 meter cube. So change in the volume is 0.001 m cube, and change in pressure is 70 Newton per centimeter square. As we know the formula, put down the values in the formula. We can calculate the values of K, that is 8.75 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per centimeter square, and we can calculate the compressibility as by the formula 1 upon K. Thank you.